friends, how's it going? Today we're going to set up our hoop house greenhouse. And we are going to use this tarp from Harbor Freight as the floor. Was an amazing deal. It was about $120 for the whole kit. It's 7 by 10 and this is it for the instructions. I've gotten started. It is a bit confusing, but I'm confident we'll get it together. All right, well, we got the first hoop up. There was a mistake in the instructions. So on step 2, it says this piece should be a number 2. It will not work if it's a number 2. Up here, it says it's a number 3, and that's what it needs to be. So these. Okay, once we figured out that the directions were wrong on that step, the rest went together really easy. I was able to do it with the help of my kids, and we have made it this far. The next step is we need to put the cover on. The greenhouse is up and anchored, and we made it before sunset. The kids and I put this together. Now I'm just cleaning up for the night.